everyone. I am Patricia Mahmoud Diaz, BA Agri Student 1B. And today, I will talk about something that plays a crucial role in our daily life, communication. The main objectives of my speech is to inform and to educate. Have you ever experienced a misunderstanding because of poor communication? Maybe you sent a message that was misinterpreted, or you struggle to express yourself on an important conversation. Communication is not just about speaking, it's about understanding and being understood. Today, I want to share what is communication, why it is important, and how we can improve it. What is communication? Communication is a process of exchanging information, ideas, and emotions. It comes in many forms: verbal, non-verbal, and digital. Whether we're talking face-to-face, writing an email, or even using body language, we are constantly communicating. Why is communication important? First, it builds relationship in personal or professional life. Strong communication strengthens connection and trust. Second, it prevents misunderstanding. Many conflicts arise because of miscommunication. Clear and effective communication helps us avoid confusion. Third, it boosts confidence and leadership. Great leaders are great communicators. They express their ideas clearly and inspire others. How can we improve communication? Practice active listening. Focus on what other person is saying instead of just waiting for your turn to speak. Use a clear and simple language. Avoid complicated words when they aren't needed. Be mindful of nonverbal cues. Facial expression, tone of voice, and gesture affect how our message is received. Adapt to your audience. Speak differently when addressing a friend versus a personal setting. In the end, communication is more than just a word. It's the key to connect, understand, and success. If we work on improving how we communicate, we can strengthen our relationship, avoid unnecessary conflict, and express ourselves more effectively. So, let's start today. Listen more, speak clearly, and always strive to connect. Because, as the saying goes, the art of communication is the language of leadership. Thank you.